Welcome back to Automatic Addiction. For the 2025 Defender SUV family, Land Rover unveiled a number of model year changes that emphasized enhanced comfort and elegance as well as the installation of a more potent diesel engine. According to CarScoops, some of the highlights are the 110 model's unique Sedona edition, the 130 model's captain seat option, and the signature interior pack, which offers luxury amenities on all models. Since its release in 2019, Land Rover's latest iteration of the venerable Defender has proven to be a bestseller. Even though the SUV hasn't had a typical facelift, the 2025 model year improvements are substantial and move the vehicle closer to the opulent Range Rover in terms of features. The Defender D350's 3.0-liter mild hybrid 6-cylinder diesel engine, which is similar to the Range Rover's, generates 345 horsepower, 257 kilowatts/350 PS, and 700 Newton-meters, 516 lb-ft, of torque. Compared to the D300 it replaces, this has 49 horsepower, 37 kilowatts/50 PS, and 50 Newton-meters, 37 lb-ft more, which Land Rover claims provides for easier city running and overtaking. The Land Rover Defender of 2025 features a streamlined model lineup that includes the S, X-Dynamic SE, X-Dynamic HSE, and although the interior of the cabin has been updated, the exterior has not changed. But there is a Defender 110 Sedona edition with upgraded specs influenced by the Arizona desert that will only be available for a year. The extended black pack for the exterior, 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, and distinctive hood decals all complement the Sedona red exterior color. In the UK, European, and Australian markets, orders for the 2025 Land Rover Defender are now being accepted. Prices will soon be available in North America, with a starting point of about $58,000. The Defender will get the Octa, a new V8-powered off-road variant, later this year. Additionally, the front passenger and driver can now store small objects in the new pockets that Land Rover designers built to the center console on both sides. The Defender 130's 8 seats can be reduced to 7 by combining the signature interior pack with the captain chairs pack. Longer trips are made more comfortable by the 2 separate seats in the second row, each of which has heating and cooling capabilities.